In this lecture we are going to talk about the fall protection approaches. As we can see in the chart, falls are the leading cause of fatalities in the construction industries. These are causes the most fall-related injuries: unprotected sides, wall openings, and floor holes. Unprotected sides. Sides are to be protected where workers are exposed to vertical drops of 6 feet or more. Unprotected floor holes. Every site is having this condition at some point during construction. As the injuries from falls or falling objects may result, ranging from sprains and concussions to death, cover or guard the floor holes as soon as they are created during new construction. Improper scaffold construction. Working with heavy equipment and building materials on the limited space of a scaffold is difficult. How do I avoid hazards? Install guardrail systems along all open sides and ends of platforms and personal fall arrestor. Provide safe access to scaffold platforms. Unguarded protruding steel rebar. Unguarded protruding steel reinforcing bars are hazardous. If you hit against it, it results in serious internal injuries or death. How to avoid hazards? Guard all protruding ends of steel rebar with rebar caps or wooden troughs. Bend rebar so exposed ends are no longer upright. Misuse of portable ladders. You risk falling if not safely positioned. While you are on a ladder, it may move and slip from its supports. You can also lose your balance while on steady ladder. Position portable ladders so the side rails extend at least 3 feet above the landing. Secure side rails at the top to a rigid support and use a grab device when 3-foot extension is not possible. These are some points which should be followed to avoid hazard. How do I avoid fall hazards? Guardrail systems. Top edge height of equivalent guardrail system members must be between 39 and 45 inches above the walking level. Safety net systems. Connections between safety net panels must not be spaced more than 6 inches apart. Safety nets are collective fall arrest systems, not fall restraint systems. Personal fall arrest systems. A system used to arrest a person in a fall from a working level. Safety harnesses. Types of safety harness. Double leg tie-off safety lanyards. Regarded as one of the most adaptable fall protection equipment, double leg tie-off lanyards are also called as Y-lanyard. Even when you are moving to another anchor point, one of your legs is still attached to the previous anchor point. Positioning lanyards. These safety lanyards do not have any shock-absorbing properties. They eliminate the chance of a fall because they are mainly used for restraint or positioning. Rescue shock-absorbing style lanyards. If you generally work on a tower or near turbines, the rescue shock-absorbing style lanyards is used. In the event of a fall, the rescue shock-absorbing lanyards make the entire rescue process easier. Shock-absorbing lanyards are able to limit the fall arrest force to 400 kg. Use expandable style that expands and contracts as you move, which in turn helps keep the lanyard shorter. Factors in considering harness. Length. The standard length is 6 feet. It also needs to be as short as possible to minimize the free fall distance. Webbing. Able to resist the extreme weather conditions like rough use. Different materials used are nylon, Kevlar, and Nomex.